Right, the guide to cooking a perfect steak. Hot pan. The secret here is to make sure that we literally sear the steak. Season it first. Get some nice large grains of pepper, so you got a nice bit of heat. The pan's just started smoking. Touch of oil in, roll that round, and then just lay the steaks away. Always away from you. And let the pan do the work. That's the kind of noise you want to hear in the pan every time. That nice sear. Again, pair of tongs. Turn it over very carefully. Literally 30 seconds in the pan, you can see the colour. Put a little bit of garlic in. Nice little flavour of the steaks. Doesn't need to be peeled. A little bit of thyme. It's really nice to get that nice fragrant smell of thyme. Little knobs of butter. And this is where the steak starts to take on a completely different flavour. Tilt the pan, then just baste. Nothing's burning. That's why we started off with olive oil. Take them out. Beautiful. Let them rest. And then from there, slice. Rare, going on to medium rare. Delicious.